Hey guys, Moki here with a mukbang. Going to do the good old McDonald's because I fucks with McDonald's. And I don't care what y'all say about it. Them heifers didn't give me a straw. Them heifers didn't give me a straw. What I'ma do? What I'ma do? This place is ghetto. It's fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's fine. I got a Big Mac. Okay, I have not eaten one of these on camera yet, so I figured why the hell not? It's gonna be so messy, but so good. This little tiny thing that is a Big Mac cost me $10. This little tiny fucking thing. It's crazy, but there's the mac sauce. That's the best part. Cheers. It is so good. Oh, this hit the spot. You want a bite? Look at that. I do gotta say, the presentation is beautiful. These are usually messy as all hell, but this presentation is very beautiful, probably because it's so damn small. I'm gonna grab some fries here. Okay. I always get a medium fry. I fucks with the medium. If I do a combo that's on the menu, for instance, this is a number 1. It's always large Dr. Pepper, medium fry. Now, if I order a la carte, hence my triple cheeseburger combo, I will do large Dr. Pepper, small fry. I always balance between the small and medium because the large fry is way too much. Needs more sauce, but it's alright. I could have got extra mac sauce if I wanted. I'm just really upset about my straw here. I really want to drink my Dr. Pepper. My week's been crazy. It's been a lot going on this week. I am severely detoxing from my medication. I think it's kind of calmed down now. But yesterday, I do believe it was yesterday or the day before, I woke up with cold sweats, drenched in sweat, but freezing my ass off. And you're probably like, oh my God, Chubby, why'd you stop your medicine? Well, I didn't ask for it. My doctor decided to try me on a sample for a month of this new medication that works. Y'all see me talk about it in my older videos. And then turn around in the same month and basically retire. So I was unable to get the actual script for it. And now I have to wait 2 weeks before I get into my new primary care. I don't have that much medicine. I probably had about a week's worth left. So there's nothing I can do except slowly drench back into the way I was. Until I get some help. My dog's also really sick right now. I don't want to talk about it too much because I'll probably cry. But he's basically going through the same thing our Piggy went through last year. I'm sorry, in 2021. God, she's already been gone 2 years. 2 years in August. Wow. It's basically his pancreas and his liver. But we got him on antibiotics and medication and all these things. And we're hoping he'll get through it. He seems like he will. But, you know, like, we're having those conversations of if it goes so bad and, like, you know, putting him to sleep and things like that. And just shit I don't want to deal with. Shit I really don't want to deal with. Like, why? Like, why the fuck this guy happen, yo? Why the fuck does all this have to go on right now? Like, why can't everything just be copacetic for, like, give me a fucking window of, like, 6 months, you know? Please. I'll take a month. I'll take a month of just goodness. Nothing bad. But these fries are really good. They say that's life, I guess. Yum, yum, yum. They're really hot, too. Really hot and really salty. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That literally had like no mac sauce on it, and that's a little annoying. Also, my fucking allergies. I don't know if it's allergies or if I'm sick with something or what, but I'm just congested as fuck. Cheers to the Dr. Pepper. Make sure I get all the food remnants out of my mouth because I don't want that shit floating in my cup. Mind the moaning. It's really good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that Dr. Pepper be here. That's okay. I gotta go to Taco Bell and get my mama Pepsi, and I'm gonna get a straw from them too. Bitch hooked me up. But I just wanted to eat real quick. It's been a while since I've had some McDonald's, and this shit is literally my favorite restaurant. Fuck what you heard. Fast food, anyway. If I'm not getting McDonald's, I do fuck with some Wendy's. Because them Baconators be life. Mm-hmm. See how I get them chompers ready? Fuck yeah. Move the lips and make room for the teeth. Period. Because we about to chomp. It is so hot today. My car is reading 82 degrees. He was fine. He was cute. He should come back and say hi. I doubt this is going to be enough food because I'm genuinely probably going to get hungry later, but that's okay. I literally like starve myself and eat like once a day. If I eat. It's bad out here. Well, what do you do? What do you do? Ooh, ooh, for a Klondike bar. I'm demolishing these fries. I'm really eating. I'll show you all the aftermath. Like, obviously, there's the fries. That's all that's left. There's the empty Big Mac box. Oh, she flying. She flying in this parking lot. Let me tell you about that. I was pulling off my street earlier. Oh, he got a big old booty. Oh my God. I know it tastes scrumptious. I was pulling out off my street earlier, and this bitch in what was she driving? Cadillac Escalade. Just came flying down the motherfucking street. It is 25 through there. Flying. And I noticed she on her phone. Oh, so bitch, I honked my horn. Because I was mad. I was so mad. Bitches really be flying down that street and it's only 25 miles per hour. Excuse me. Kids be on the street. People be walking the animals. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just be kind of busy for you to be doing all that. Because it's also a small street. So, God bless me. and gave me and her the red light. So I pull up behind her and I pull around and I get next beside her at the light, and I roll my window down. I said, slow the fuck down and get off your phone. And she rolled down her window. She said, what? I said, oh, lady, slow the fuck down and get off your phone. She called me a gay wad. I had to laugh because I have not been called that since I was like 11. A gay wad. So I told the bitch she had no teeth because she didn't. And I told her just because you sucked some dick to get that Escalade, don't mean you gotta drive it like you stole it. Follow the law. We went back and forth for a little bit. I like her though. I should have became her friend. You gay wad. She told me I couldn't afford my phone. She said I couldn't afford a cell phone because she's like, oh yeah, where's your cell phone? Can't even afford one. I said, baby, my phone right here on my little, connected right here on my little thing. Okay, because it's called hands-free, bitch. Learn your laws. Hands-free. Okay. That was just so funny she didn't come up with, you can't afford a cell phone. Bitch, who you talking to? I will suck the soul out of your man's dick and make him leave you. Okay? Don't fuck with me. She was funny though. And then she flashed me her phone. Like, am I supposed to know who you on the phone with? Am I supposed to know who you talking to? Tell the bitch to get off the phone. Like, what that even mean? That was funny. So, okay, the best way to describe her. If you watch True Blood, she is the bartender of Fantasia. That's her. But with long blonde hair instead of the bob. Her name may have been B.O.B., but she wasn't pulling off no bob. That shit was funny, though. Gay wad. I'm gonna get that tattooed on me. I guess all you can come up with. You like 45 with no teeth, girl. Relax. Slow the fuck down. I'm gonna scoot back up now. Oh, there is a hornet right outside my... Oh, Lord. Maybe... no, it's a friend. I'm scared. Okay, guys. That was the mukbang. That was a lot thrown at you, and that's okay. That's good. I know y'all love it. Time to go get my mama her motherfucking Pepsi from Taco Bell. Damn, he was cute. He looked like Steve from Stranger Things. Go get her little Pepsi. And I'm gonna go back home. And just do something. Do something because, listen, it's crazy out here. Thunders this weekend. I don't know if I'm going to go. Probably not because not too many people going that I know of. I bought a Pegasus pin this year for the good old Derby, but we'll see. We shall see how it goes. But nonetheless, you'll see me on your TV again. You'll see me on your YouTube. You'll see me on your socials if you follow me. And with that, goodbye. Love you guys.